If you're using GOG Galaxy and you want to pause a download, resume it later, or stop it without losing your progress, this video will walk you through the full process step by step. This is really useful if your internet slows down, you need to free up bandwidth, or you simply want to continue a game download at a better time. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy gaming tips and software guides. Let's jump in. First, open GOG Galaxy on your PC. Once it loads, go to your owned games library. This is where all the games linked to your account will appear, and it's also where you can start a new download if you haven't already. If the game is not downloading yet, click on the game you want to install. Then choose Install or Download. GOG Galaxy will begin preparing the files and then start downloading the game automatically. Once the download is active, look for the Downloads section inside GOG Galaxy. This is where you can monitor progress and control everything that is currently being downloaded. To pause the download, click the Pause All button. As soon as you do that, the download will stop immediately. Your progress is saved, so you do not need to worry about starting over. This is especially helpful if you want to reduce network usage, avoid interruptions, or wait until your connection is more stable. Now, when you're ready to continue, go back to the same Downloads area and click the Resume All button. The download will pick up right where it stopped, so you can carry on without re-downloading files you already have. That makes the whole process fast, simple, and very convenient. In some cases, you may have multiple downloads queued up, and the pause and resume controls will help you manage them all from one place. You can pause everything at once, then resume everything at once whenever you're ready. That's one of the reasons GOG Galaxy is so handy for game management. So just to recap, open GOG Galaxy, go to your owned games, start the download if needed, head to the Download section, click Pause All to stop it, and then click Resume All whenever you want to continue. It really is that easy. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.